Hi. Can I have 120 chicken nuggets?
120 chicken nuggets?
Yes.
Taking 120 nuggets.
Taking 120 nuggets. That is not a joke.
Any dipping sauce?
All of them, if we can.
Hey guys, what's up? So I'm here with my best friend Wade, and we're gonna do the 120 chicken nugget challenge, which is we have 20 minutes to eat 120 chicken nuggets. Set and go. Hot.
Hot?
Hot, alright.
Maybe you should open some of the boxes.
Okay, yeah. Brave little nuggies. Eventually the sweats will start because they're so hot. Which goes against everything they taught me in health class. Yeah, but they're good. We actually watched Super Size Me.
You're getting your protein.
Yeah. Box 2. You're done a box already? I can taste it in my nose though. Oh, shit. I still have 2. One box down. Oh, it's like a chore now. Well, I'm full. No. Good luck.
What happened to 2 at a time?
I would do it 2 at a time. Would you like to try 2 at a time? Miss Vegetarian?
No, you guys keep going.
I'm good. Oh crap.
I got my french fries.
The mustard's good. Dos. I'm actually surprised at how fast you're eating. Like, I've seen you eat before, but it's ridiculous. No time today, honey. Come on, Billy. Don't slip. Mama taught you better.
Elbows on the table.
I feel like I might have my shirt off by the end of this video. I'm sweating too profusely. It's hot. Fast forward to that point. 2 boxes down.
We got 20 down.
40
more to go. Well, you're almost halfway there.
Is puking voluntary?
Should I get a bucket?
No, I just want to know if it's okay if that's a legal move to make room. No.
Nope.
You can after if you want. What if it's involuntary? Then you just fail.
Disqualified.
Damn it! All these rules. My elbows are sweating. On the outside or the inside? Outside of mine. Here we go. Bathroom's down the hall just in case. Shit, it's catching up. Oh god. Halfway done. Oh god. Nothing like pasty white men eating McDonald's.
Under the belt.
Excuse me. I feel like the nugget peak now. I'm like 26. Oh, Can't wait to go home and have dinner after this. There you go, more room. Oh, excuse me. Hat trick.
Da, 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 da.
This one is blue from Foster's home.
I was like, I thought you actually said it was blue. Like,
I thought you meant the color.
This one is blue. Wade, we need to stop doing the nugget challenge now. No.
Chewy.
Bad dog, these are my nuggets to endure.
To be fair, they look like dog treats. They
All
just
the more
do.
appetizing.
30! I'm less excited to hit that now. Do it.
Where's that chili pepper challenge?
I know, this is easy. Like,
This is an endurance thing.
I was like, no, this will be easy compared to that. No.
Wrong.
Oh.
I put my almond honey.
This evening is going to change my lifestyle forever.
I can do it. Oh, YouTube, what have you done to me?
YouTube's a monster.
It must be fed. Have some nuggets.
Please.
Oh. No.
Undo the belt.
Stay down. Stay down.
Oh, man.
Stay down. Stay. Sit in my belly.
Oh God.
Take a sip.
Don't puke. If you puke, I will. Like, don't do it.
No, all the nuggets will be ruined. No, we can't finish.
I think if I puke from the nuggets, the rest of the nuggets will be the least of my worries.
No.
I'm sweating.
Sweat with
Me
me,
sweat.
everybody.
I got so lazy.
Oh.
That was a bit of a shocker.
Nope, that's just puke. Some lonely eating professional man made this up. And he's just like, I'll get friends to do it and I'll call it a challenge. When it's just a Friday night. You get that feeling that you just lack the will to do life.
If I break it into smaller pieces, I think.
I think there's less.
No, it just looks more. It just looks like more.
If I can just mount it into a chicken ball, then I'd never eat it.
I don't want to swallow this. It's reached that point.
I'm getting dizzy.
Same.
Oh, room. 20 more.
So, if you want any more, that burp was 20 chugging on that.
Oh, no, that's all bravado. I lied.
How the hell are you under 20?
I'm not. I'm all 20 and under, I guess.
Yeah, you're under 20.
Hold on, I'll get under 20. One sec.
I haven't tried the barbecue sauce.
Oh, I think I'll say that a little later.
Maybe if I stand up.
Soda pop helps.
No. Wait.
Try laying on the floor.
Nope.
I feel like it is moving.
I think that's just really like some false optimism there.
If we move this to the bathroom, we'll just streamline the whole operation.
Yeah. Oh God, dear Lord, please let me eat these nuggets
No, forcing it doesn't help.
and keep it down. Oh, I feel a bit better. One nugget better? No. We behavioral conditioned ourselves to hate nuggets.
My throat's just like, no, but my brain's like, you can do it. Just one more.
Their brains are like, pussy, pussy.
Come on.
I'm like, you'll have to deal with this later. I should open this box so they cool down.
Yeah, because we're going to get to it, right?
Oh, sweet honey.
We've at least eaten one whole chicken.
Yeah, I would say that.
Probably one whole chicken suffered this wrath. And probably one, you know what, they've all suffered. We just ate one.
And thanks to McDonald's, not a part on the chicken is wasted.
We should 41 and a half nuggets.
2,
That's a
So
pass.
you're done the
5,
challenge
6,
now.
7, 8.
How do you feel?
You said we'd be lucky to get
11,
40.
12, 13, 14, 15,
Pardon?
16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Just
21,
boxes.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
36.
26 left.
45 and a half nuggets.
I got 34. At least you beat me by a lot. I feel better. Well, I don't feel better, but I feel better about that. So, thanks, guys. Thanks again, Wade.
Yeah, nuggets.
Like, comment, and subscribe so it's not totally pointless.
It probably is.
Please.
Have a good week. Bye. You can see what sauce we didn't enjoy. That hot mustard.
That did not sit well with nuggets.
No, it's like, it tasted like seafood sauce. Yeah, there's no
Okay, so how did we do? So what? How many do we have left over?
I ate 34.
41 and a half.
Nice.
So it's a pass.
Yay.
See if this was school of nugget eating.
I was so close.
Not really a pass.
It's a pass.
I'm just kidding.
It's over 50.
I'll just flirt with the teacher.
Yeah.
Maybe she'll be impressed with my chicken bird thing. I'll do arts and crafts.
You know, look at that leg.
Show some leg, baby.
Oh, puddle.
But seriously, I can't.
Now they're delirious.
We should build a nugget fort.
I'm building a nugget chicken.
I'm building a fort.
People are like, "Where's the nugget? Where's the chicken?" Oh, that's a beak. There we go.
This reminds me of when I set up my
It looks like.
It looks like a flower.
Not flour, it's a chicken. Okay, I just feel like you should be disqualified for taking that out.
That doesn't even count. I was gonna puke.
It was like a puke.
Oh.
To be fair, I took it out with my hand. I didn't spit it. I went in there like a surgery,
I went in there like a sir.
and I just like, it's like it was my dentures of chicken. Just
McDentures.
Oh. Will you ever want to eat chicken nuggets after this?
Oh yeah, I will.
yeah, but not soon. But like
Maybe in a couple
tomorrow,
years.
Maybe like later tonight.
The Temple of Chicken.
Oh, doom.
Dun, dun,
And
dun,
you tries
dun,
to eat it.
dun, 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 dun,
The realization just came to me that I built a chicken temple. Why did I build a chicken temple?
Chicken nugget delirium.
Don't eat too many chicken nuggets, kids.
Chicken nuggets.
Brain damage.
You won't remember who your parents are.